Do you know why we say Alhamdulillah every time we sneeze? A sneeze's velocity is near 100 miles per hour. It lasts 1 second. Sneezing loudly can break one of your ribs. Holding your nose and closing your mouth while sneezing make a pseudomediastinum, air trapped between your lungs, a cerebral aneurysm, ballooning blood vessel in the brain, and thus leading to death. While sneezing, the whole human body system stops functioning, including the heart. You basically come back to life every time you sneeze. So which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? Quran 55 to 38.